So one of the most popular techniques to accomplish any task is the Pomodoro technique.
Pomodoro technique is a structured way to break up work into sets of intervals. The technique looks something like this. First, you work on a task for a set amount of time. This is typically 25 minutes. Afterwards, you take a short break. In step 3, you repeat the above steps till you're finally done. I've been a big fan of this technique as it's ultimately gotten me through all of school. So I decided to play homage to the technique by building the Pomodoro Player, a simple device that utilizes the Pomodoro technique to play videos from a YouTube playlist within your break intervals. The device is quite simple actually. Encased within the 3D printed parts is an Arduino that plugs into your computer via serial USB port. The Arduino controls a timer displayed on the LED display that once it hits 0, a digital signal will be sent to your computer. On the computer is a Python program running that when it receives a signal, it will play YouTube videos from a playlist. Now initially the program will play the first video, or zeroth index video in programming terms, and afterwards upon each successive break, the next video will be selected within the playlist. Of course, most of you want to see how we got to this point, from coding to making the design, and so without further ado,